Hello children, welcome to Learner's Corner. My name is Okpe. In Learner's Corner, you will be learning some things in mathematics, English language, science, and some other subjects. In this segment, I will be teaching you parts of speech poem. It rhymes with Sing a Song of Sixpence. Here it goes. Every name is called a noun, as field of fountain, street of town. In place of noun, a pronoun stands, as he or she can clap their hands. Adjective describes a thing, as magic wand of bridling. Verb means action, something done, as read, or write, or jump, or run. Things are done, the adverb tells, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. Prepositions show relation, as in the streets or at the station. Conjunction joining many ways. Sentences, clause of phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out, ha! I need an exclamation mark. I believe that you enjoy a part of speech poem. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.